Annyeonghaseyo, Chaydavin, D Shanda Fida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, and I am back again with another unboxing for you today. And today I will be unboxing my Tribe Beauty Box for August 2018. As usual, I'll leave all the information down below about Tribe Beauty Box. Let's go ahead and get started. So, Tribe Beauty Box, they are a new subscription company. They are a beauty subscription company, makeup and beauty and things like that. It comes out every other month. I can't remember the price, so I'm not going to say a price, but it will be down below. I don't want to say anything, but I will tell you this. This box right here, like I said, it comes every other month, which I like. Number two, this box comes from Canada, so I know it's a little bit more expensive than, boxes that I get here in the United States because it is coming from up north from Canada. Oh, and hello to all of my Canadian viewers out there. Bonjour, hello. Anyway, it comes from Canada. So, with shipping and everything and going through customs and all that stuff, it's a little bit more pricey. But it's okay because it comes every other month. I don't get this monthly. It may be $40. I can't remember, y'all. I'll let you know down below. Number three, third thing I want to tell you about this box is that there is a waiting list as well. So if you want this box, you need to get on that wait list. And it does fill up rather quick. This is my second box. I can't remember if I unboxed the first box or not, but the first box I got was a limited edition box, which was in the summertime, like in May or June, I think. And then they took a little break and said they were coming back in August, bigger and better, and here we are, August. So let's see what is going on with Tribe Beauty Box. I like the box, by the way. Very, very nice. The detailing on there. Very nice. So, all I did was cut the tape. I don't know what's going on in this box. I haven't seen anything. The theme of this box is Summer Never Ends. This here is what the card looks like. You will always get a card with Tribe Beauty Box that will tell you what is in it as well as the prices. And everything in this box that you get will be full size, no samples, okay? All right, so summer never ends. I don't want the summer to end because when the summer ends, that means back to school. That means cooler weather, which may be a good thing sometimes. Fall's around the corner, but all good things must come to an end, one of them being summer. So let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, first things first in this box that I'm looking at is this right here. This is from So Susan. Those of you that follow me on my channel, you know that I like So Susan products. I get their subscription box. So I love their products. And their products are all vegan and cruelty free. That's what that looks like. And this is, what are you? You are a So Susan Hot Light highlighting pencil. This is worth $19.95. It is wrapped in plastic, so I'm not going to take the plastic off. It says the universally flattering ivory cream crayon that brings your best features to light, made with white truffle extract and iceral peptide to help reduce eye bags and increase skin elasticity. So this is for, you can use this for under your eyes. I like to use pencils like this, these highlighting pencils, to highlight my brow bone before I do my eyebrows. So I'm happy to get this. I'm familiar with this brand. This is a trusted brand for me. We like this. So I'm happy to get that. Next thing we have in here, what is this? Oh, awesome. We got some Makeup Geek pressed eyeshadow pans. Ooh, look at that. I have 3 of them. So this is one. Hold on, let me get them all out. I have 3 Makeup Geek eyeshadow pans. Look at that. This is what the other side looks like. I have never received any or purchased anything from Makeup Geek. I have heard of Makeup Geek. I see a lot of, YouTubers and beauty influencers talk about Makeup Geek a lot. I know that their products are pretty spot on too. They're pretty good. So these eyeshadows, by the way, these are worth $6 a piece, all right? And I got 3 colors. The first color that I have is Peach Smoothie. Peach Smoothie looks like this. And this is a soft peachy orange with a matte finish. That's what this is. The next one I got is Aphrodite. That's Aphrodite. It looks like a purple color. I know it kind of looks dark, but it looks purple actually. And this is a deep plum brown with a matte finish. And then the last color I got is Shimma Shimma. This is what Shimma Shimma looks like. And Shimma Shimma, I like saying that word, Shimma Shimma. Shimma Shimma is a light pinky beige with a shimmery finish. Let me open up one of these to see what they look like. And by the way, Makeup Geek is cruelty free, so in case you're wondering. I have a Z palette, one of those magnetic Z palettes that I'm going to put these in. So I'm happy to get that. This is what it looks like when you open up the envelope. And this is what the shadow looks like. I don't want to drop it, but I'll just show you. Wait, it's popping out. It's popping out. This is what the shadow looks like. This is Shimma Shimma. Do you see that? That's nice. All right. You guys know I don't swatch on this channel because I don't have all those fancy lights, camera, and action. I'm so sorry. Don't be mad at me. Even though, yeah, don't be mad at me. Just charge it to my head, not my heart, y'all, okay? Let me see if I can carefully get this back in there without breaking it. And I did. All right, so yeah, these are going to go in my little Z palette that I have. I cannot wait to put those in there. All right, moving on. From Vasanti, we have the Makeup Magnet Wipes. Interesting. Makeup cleansing wipes using micellar water. There are 30 sheets in here. You can always use some makeup wipes. I can always use makeup wipes. And these are worth $12. It says these powerful makeup cleansing wipes are gentle, effective, and super comfortable. Like a magnet, tiny micellar molecules attract dirt, oil, and pollutants from your face. So that's nice. This is what the other side looks like, by the way, in case you're wondering. So you get 30 in here. That's a lot. That's like a full size thing. So I'm happy to get these because I was in need for some makeup wipes. So awesome, awesome. And then what's this? Something from Estee Lauder. This is Pure Color Envy Vinyl Lip Color. The color I have is number 2. And this is what that looks like. Very, very nice. Controversial. I think that's the color. Number 2. Controversial. Right there. And I think you are a lip gloss. Let's see how much you are. This is $28. You could have gotten one of two things. I'm sorry. Yes. You could have gotten one of two lip products. Some people got the NARS Lip Glide worth $26. And some got the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy Lip Color. I got the Estee Lauder. And this is what she looks like. Very nice, expensive, sleek packaging. Classy, as usual, from Estee Lauder. Here's the other side, if you can see that. Probably not because of the foil. But this is what the color looks like. Can you see that? Probably not because of the lighting inside there. It says, discover the power of liquid envy. Intense, smooth, ultra comfortable color. This is paint with a passion. Doesn't smell like anything. But that's red, y'all. That's straight up red. Ooh-wee. I am happy about that. That is straight up red. And red is my favorite color. And a red lip is amazingly awesome. So I can't wait to try this. I'm happy that I got this. And it's full size too. Awesome. One more thing we got, guys. And this is from Crown Brushes. This is the Crown Trio brush set. Which looks like that there. 3 brushes are in there. This is worth $29. And it says this trio brush set is constructed with custom top-grade synthetic bristles. I can't talk today. The premium synthetic bristles will not absorb oils or products, which help extend the lifespan of the product being used. So that's awesome. It's very important to, to clean your brushes on a regular basis. But it's nice that these brushes they don't absorb oil or anything like that. Oh, by the way, I didn't show you. There's the tag there. And each brush is wrapped inside its own plastic. So I will show you them really fast. These brushes are white and the bristles are white and pink at the top. And they're very soft, like for this one right here. It's just a face brush. And what I like about crown brushes also is that they have, like, you can't see it because it's white, but they have a divot right here and a divot right here. So when you're holding your brush, you can rest your fingers on it while you're applying your makeup. So that's what this brush is. I'm not sure what this, it doesn't have like a name on it, but I would use this brush for, like, you know, applying like for highlighting underneath the eye, for applying blush maybe, or highlighter, for like powder probably. This one here, this one looks like a good brush to use, and they all have that same divot. This smaller one looks like one I would use for maybe concealer or maybe highlighter even, because it's small enough a little highlighter can get in there, or for highlighting here or either up here. I don't know if I'd use this for eyeshadow. Maybe. I don't know. And then the last brush we have here is this one right here. It's kind of like rounded at the top there. So this one's a nice one too. Again, same thing. I would use this because it's small and my cheeks are small. I would use it for blush or for highlighter. You know, for highlighting. Not so much for powder though, but this is a nice brush. So these are nice brushes, and we got 3 of them, and they're worth $29. So very, very nice. All right, my friends, that's everything in my Tribe Beauty box besides the little peanuts, packing peanuts that we got. Let's recap, shall we? From Crown, we got the brush set for $29.99, which I love. From Vasanti, I got the Makeup Magnet Face Wipes. From So Susan, I've got the highlighting pencil. From Estee Lauder, I got the Pure Color Envy in the color number 2, Controversial. I think it's a lip gloss. And then from Makeup Geek, I'm so excited. I got some Makeup Geek eyeshadow pans for my Z palette. I'm so happy, my friends. And again, that's everything in my Tribe Beauty box. Summer never ends, and summer has not ended. Not yet, at least. We still got a few more weeks to go. But anyway, that's Tribe Beauty box, my friends, for August 2018. If you get Tribe Beauty box, let me know what you think about the subscription. Have you used any of these products? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Why do you like them or not like them? Let me know in the comment section down below. In case you have not done so, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. There's going to be a giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there, but I'm just creeping along, baby steps. I'm hoping to get there by the end of this year. That's my goal, is by December. Or maybe by, December 31st, New Year's Eve 2018, that I get to 1,000. When I get there, there's going to be a giveaway. So I'll let you know what that is when I reach that threshold. All right, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나